I have 4 unique side hustles that are often overlooked but can earn you $500 or more per day, even without advanced skills. Let's dive in. Americans discard nearly 5 pounds of trash per person each day, and it ends up in our trash cans. However, even after the garbage truck takes it away, there's often leftover gunk and smelly garbage juice that attracts pests like cockroaches, ants, rats, possums, and more. This is where your opportunity lies. Surprisingly, many people are willing to pay handsomely to have their trash cans pressure washed regularly, whether it's once a month or even weekly. I recently came across a door hanging flyer advertising this same service, and what amazed me was the enthusiastic response from people. They were excited about the idea and eager to pay for it. In fact, I saw a post on a community forum where someone shared their discovery of a mobile trash can cleaning service. They were excited about the idea and eager to pay for it. In fact, I saw a post on a community forum where someone shared their discovery of a mobile trash can cleaning service. Now, the best part is that starting this side hustle is both affordable and easy. You don't need an expensive commercial pressure washer that costs thousands of dollars. A simple battery-powered pressure washer from $70 to $150 will suffice. Look for one with a soap attachment that allows you to spray soap onto the trash cans before pressure washing them. When it comes to the soap, you have options. You can purchase a cheap solution from a hardware store or Amazon or create a watered-down mixture of Dawn dish soap. Alternatively, you can use a separate inexpensive sprayer to apply the soap. These sprayers can be found at Walmart or any hardware store. In terms of equipment, a pressure washer with a soap attachment and a suitable soap solution or sprayer are all you need to get started. The initial investment for this side hustle is minimal when you consider the potential earnings it can generate. In order to effectively promote your business, there are several avenues you can explore. You can harness the influence and reach of social media platforms by posting about your business in local Facebook groups, Craigslist, and platforms like Nextdoor. These methods are completely free and can help you reach a wider audience within your community. However, to take your promotional efforts a step further and generate even more business, it is advisable to create physical door hanging flyers. The great news is that designing and producing these flyers is remarkably easy, and you can purchase them at incredibly affordable prices, especially when buying in bulk. For example, websites like Vistaprint offer 1,000 door hanging flyers for just 11 cents per piece, totaling only $100. It's worth noting that as you increase your order quantity, you can secure more favorable deals. Designing your flyer, you can adopt a layout similar to the provided example as a guide. Simple yet attention-grabbing designs work well. With the combined investment in a pressure washer and flyers, you should expect to spend somewhere between $100 and $300 to kickstart your business. Considering the potential returns, this is a relatively low-cost investment. This side hustle offers substantial earning potential. You can charge around $65 for one-time trash can cleanings and approximately $35 for monthly cleanings, with an additional $10 for each extra trash can. To illustrate the profit potential, let's imagine you clean 4 trash cans every hour for a continuous 8-hour workday. That would amount to 32 cans. Multiply that by the $35 per can rate, and you're looking at a total of over $1,100 in a single day. Even if you decide to work only a few hours, it is easily possible to make hundreds of dollars. What makes this side hustle particularly attractive is its simplicity and affordability. You don't need any specialized skills to get started, and it's a service that many people are willing to pay for. Taking into account the relatively low startup costs and the potential for high earnings, it's an opportunity worth considering. This unique side hustle presents an incredible opportunity that I haven't come across before. This opportunity might be the most effortless way to make money online. Think about all the times you visit Amazon.com and browse through products, whether out of boredom or when searching for something specific. You typically view the product image, check the price, read the description or reviews, and sometimes even watch video reviews, especially for significant purchases. Here's something fascinating that not many people realize, except for the few creators making these videos. They actually get paid for making these reviews. Whenever someone watches at least 30 seconds of a review video and proceeds to purchase the product or a similar one on Amazon, the creator receives a commission from that sale. This concept is rarely known, and there's virtually no competition in this space. Let's consider an example with Bose headphones that have nearly 9,000 reviews. Remember that only a tiny fraction of buyers leave a review. Considering the hundreds of thousands of sales these headphones likely have, it's reasonable to assume that a significant number of people watch video reviews before making their purchase. The craziest part is that this remains relatively unknown. Now, imagine if, out of 100,000 hypothetical sales, 5,000 people watched your review video before buying the product. This means you could earn approximately $55,000 from just that one product alone. Now, envision having video reviews for 10, 20, or even 100 different products. The earnings would start to compound, and over time, you could potentially earn a substantial income. These reviews don't have to be overly complex. Many creators make them using just their phones. I spoke with someone recently who achieved success by starting a profitable Etsy shop within just 6 months. Their approach involved sourcing products from AliExpress at incredibly low prices and selling them at higher prices on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. This seller is estimated to earn a 6-figure annual income from this single product. To find winning products on AliExpress, you need to reverse engineer the process. First, decide which platform you want to sell on, whether it's Etsy, Amazon, or both. Then, conduct research to identify popular products. On Amazon, you can explore the top-selling products in each category to gauge their popularity. It's crucial to understand that there are many products with significant sales volumes that have the potential to generate substantial income. Regardless of the platform you choose, you'll need to sift through different categories and products to determine what's selling well. Look for products with a significant number of reviews, as it indicates a higher level of demand. Additionally, tools like Google Trends can provide insights into a particular product's long-term popularity and search interest. Once you've identified a product, you can search for it on AliExpress to find inexpensive options. Afterward, set up your Etsy shop, optimize your listings with SEO and appealing product images, and consider investing in pay-per-click ads to attract more customers and increase your profits. Please keep in mind that this process demands time and effort. However, if you're interested in a dedicated video providing step-by-step guidance on executing these steps, kindly leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you soon. Take care.